Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Mia. How are all of you?
Hi, guys. I'm Alex. Hello, Mia. I'm good. What about you? We're really happy to have you here.
Let me ask you something.
Can you introduce yourself in English confidently?
If your answer is no, don't worry.
Because today we are going to fix that.
In this episode, you will learn how to introduce yourself in a simple and natural way.
And by the end of this video,
You will be able to speak about yourself easily. Before we start the video, if you enjoy simple English conversations, you can like, share, and subscribe to support us.
yes, it really helps us bring more useful content for you. So today we have a simple situation.
Two people meeting for the first time in the United States.
And we'll show how to introduce yourself naturally without sounding nervous.
Let's start the conversation. Hi, I'm Mia.
Hi, Mia. I am Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, Alex, where are you from?
I'm from California. What about you?
Anhan, I'm from New York.
That's great. New York is such an amazing city.
Yes, it's very busy, but I love it.
So, what do you do, Mia?
I'm learning English these days.
That's great. Why are you learning English?
I want to speak confidently and meet new people.
That's a very good reason.
Okay, viewers, you can use simple sentences like this. I am Mia. I am from New York. I am learning English.
Yes, short and clear sentences are enough to start a conversation.
Alex, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to podcasts and watching movies.
That's great. Watching English movies really helps.
Yes, it improves your vocabulary and listening skills.
I try to practice English every day too.
That's the best way to improve your English.
Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English.
That's completely normal. Many learners feel that way.
Yes, but I keep trying.
Exactly. Practice builds confidence.
Yes, viewers, now it's your turn.
Yes, guys, try saying your introduction in the comments. Tell us, what's your name? Where are you from? And what do you do?
We can't wait to read your answers. So today we learned how to introduce ourselves naturally.
Using short and clear sentences.
No need to be perfect, just speak confidently.
And practice every day.
If you found this conversation helpful,
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
like this video to support us.
And don't forget to comment your introduction below.
Subscribe to our channel for more simple English practice videos.
We bring easy and useful English conversations every week.
See you in the next episode. Bye.